Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the exact device you will control and confirming its operating system. That determines which tools you use. Next, create a parent account using a unique email, a strong password, and turn on 2FA so you can manage settings securely. Once done, install the official parental control app or open built-in family settings on the device and sign in with your parent account. This immediate action gets you into the management panel where you'll set rules. Now you configure specific rules. Create a profile for the child and assign screen time schedules and daily limits based on age. Make sure to set content filters by rating and block app categories or specific apps, and disable in-app purchases where needed so surprises stop. Also configure communication restrictions and safe contacts, enable location sharing for safety, and define the request for access workflow so the child asks to use Finish by testing your rules. Try a blocked site or app and confirm the restriction triggers and that you receive the notification. Once done, make sure the parental control app and device OS are updated and recheck app permissions so the manager can enforce limits. If enforcement fails, reboot the device, relink the parent account, or reinstall the control app. These steps usually fix sync issues. Finally, review logs weekly and adjust limits as the child grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.